Welcome to the video. The gang is all here. Vintage Peyote bird sterling coral 16-inch necklace, $125 firm. The coral is different kinds. There's an apple coral there, and this is the bamboo coral. Several different kinds of coral. And that looks like branch coral on this side. And here's the clasp. It's marked 925. And on the other side it says, and the lobster claw is, it says Peyote bird. Very, very desirable brand. $125 firm. How's everybody doing? Yeah, this came in the box. It's a good box. Let me get situated and we're going to go through some more of it. How are y'all doing today? It's a nice Sunday. Beautiful day. $2 hoops, brand new, silver tone. Pearl strand, $5. Potato pearl strand needs to be, used for something. It's not ready to wear, is what I'm trying to say. Still a little early for me. SpongeBob. He's awesome, $2. When I've told y'all already, when we used to have my niece and nephew, my brother's kids, that was going on. $2, faux tortoise shell cord, plastic, naturals, $2. Multi-strand. Earrings, $1. Bronzy golden tone, pierced. Ruby's just getting up, so she's going to be coughing in the background. Wait a minute, do I not have a... There it is. Those are a lot longer than I thought. Those are nice. Here's some more chunky coral. You can get this. This is glass. This is macrame with 3 nice chunks of coral. Wait a minute. No, it's glass. God, that looks like coral. It's glass, $3. My apologies. My brain was, when I saw that piece, we dumped the bottom of the box out. I still haven't gone through it all. This is really interesting, $3. Classic hardware. I don't know, it looks like a 50s pinup lady maybe. On the car calendars, but I don't know. It's pretty cool, it's different. Wait, this is the clasp up here. Tangled up. Nice wooden and swirly plastic, $3. Good plating, gunmetal gray. Excellent condition. $1. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. This is stone. It'll be $2. It's a nice tassel. Very nice bookmark. Tangled. I don't know if this is several necklaces with rhinestone and enamel. $2 as is. We like our leopards. I would get rid of this cord. And this has enamel. $3. We've got, Ruby made some delicious soup yesterday. Just a very simple Knorr chicken bouillon and a tomato bouillon in a big pot with a bag of frozen vegetables. This probably says gold plated, but plastic and glass, $3, and a nice shell pendant. $2. It's a whale. You hardly ever see a whale. It's got different colors, so I'm not sure. It's got brass and gold tone pin. Hand painted, $1. We just have this one left from Target. Polka dot green. Anyway, we're starting to eat different. We've known about how to do it a long time. It just never happened. $4. It's a nice light lavender. It's lightweight, but not too lightweight. And it's plastic. If this were glass, it would be very heavy. Nice, what looks like hematite, but it's not. Glass spacers. This is cold, $1. I think it's glass. Nice earth tones, $3. It's all together with rhinestones. $2 cuff. Just a minute. Well, I don't know exactly what this says. Right there. It didn't stamp, but it is stamped. And it's probably going to be, I don't know what it is, okay? I'm not going to say. It'll be $2. Definitely test it. $3 for a puffy heart. Very nice. Claire's. So these neighbors are doing crazy stuff. He's always backing in weird. And I'm afraid they're going to run their little girl over. Because she comes running out of that garage. But the lady that just had the little baby, newborn, is up on a ladder. Nobody's holding the ladder. They're holding the lights. And she's, up at the very apex. And that doesn't look tall from here, but it is. Gold tone. I've done stupid stuff too. But I'm done doing that. Just thought I could do it all. Mainly sawing. Standing up on the back of my truck, sawing a branch when we first got here. And yeah, that didn't work out too good, but I got lucky. $3 gold tone belt. So, you know, $3, long, lightweight blue beads. Anyway, it's December. It's awesome. I love Christmas. We just don't have the energy. We have vintage Christmas ornament collection. We've kept that. This is gorgeous. $4. Absolutely gorgeous wooden. Anyway, that's enough talk. $1. It's not leather. It's like a Wow, this is awesome. We have a glass mushroom. Okay, glass mushroom and skulls, $6. These are different colors too that I've seen. They're stone, I think. They may be glass. I think they're oh, and we have this to hold it on to it. That's different. There you go. Edgy. $1 paparazzi. Pretty color of teal. Pierced earrings. $3. This has a blob of, as is, $2. This has a blob of glue there. I guess one of the chains was coming up. These will go together. They're stretchy, vintage, $3 together. No name. Paparazzi glass, $2. Blue glass and then lightweight metal. This is another pretty one. Pretty, oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. $4. Really pretty wooden beads. Nice cord. It's leather, suede. This is vintage, $3. It opens with that. I love it. You don't see the clasp. Nice plastic, gold tone accent. Very good condition. I think this is this weird necklace. It'll be $2. I believe that's glass. It has multi-strand and it clamps, you know, it has the lobster claw on both of them. I don't know, it's just a little different. Chico's, $3 Chico's. Okay. I have a certain person in mind who also lives in Texas. It needs to be cleaned. I won't say any names. The pirate and the gun and the 6-shooter with rhinestones. $3. That's hilarious. It needs to be cleaned a little, I don't know, with some... It's got... Well, I just scraped off whatever was causing the problem. Brownie mix. I don't know. $2. Silver tone. Good condition. Yeah, that lady, I watched her live. It was like, let's get some popcorn and sit here and watch her. But then I couldn't take it anymore. It was just too dangerous. The other people used to do the same thing. They left their lights for these people. And I don't know, you know, it's just not worth it, folks. $2, brassy and black plastic. $2, a little stone and a brassy dragonfly. Very nice, $3. This is coming up here. Made in China, that's this genuine leather. It looks older. I thought it was American made, but been making in China for a long time. This will be free gold tone. Love is $2. It's a nice purple with a coppery looking color and coppery love. Vintage, $3. I don't see a clasp. Swirly pink plastic. Here's the other one. I forgot how much I asked. Was it $5? Pearls. I'll go back and look. It'll be the price that I said the first time. This is nice. It's made out of plastic, and I think that's it. $3. Love the vintage. This is an actual piece of wood. $3. Hand painted and signed. And then shellacked. $1 paparazzi. Rhinestone white. And you'll get the silver tone with it. And you'll get this one with it too. Little dolphin, $2. It's like a pewter dolphin with silver tone chain. Well, here comes some more interesting stuff. $5, incredible spider, nice gunmetal gray, black rhinestone, huge. You can wear that the entire month of October next year. Who is Leah Sophia? $2. You can put another pendant on here as well. It's just pristine. Nobody's worn that. Things don't look like that if you wear them. These will go together, $2, natural. And then this says, love yourself. It's a lifelong romance. That's awesome. I've never heard that. 3 years of jewelry, you hear just about everything. This is awesome. $4, missing a rhinestone right there. And right there. But who cares? Very cool skull with big old headphones on from the 90s or the 80s. This is plastic, I believe, $2. Very unusual light brown swirly color. I don't really know how far we'll go here. $1, a little moon shaped mother of pearl. This is just a little tangle, $2. Silver tone, gold tone. Some green rhinestone heart. This is glass, I believe. This will be $1 with the lips, rhinestone, pierced pink lips earrings. That'll be $1. This is free. Black flower is free. $3 leather. It says something right here. What's it say? Genuine leather made in China. Very unusual again. $3. It's a barrette with black everything and a rose in the mouth of the skull on a plaid bow. Very cool. $1 gold tone, universal thread goods. Pierced, those are new. Jean material, $2 choker. I don't think it's been worn. Paparazzi, $1. Nice new silver tone. And the last thing, I might chat for a second. I can't multitask like I used to. $5. This is really, really awesome. Very, very cool. So, very nice selection. What did I want to say? Let me just go like this and try to go around for a second. Hi, everybody. I hope you can see me. Happy December. My goodness, it's so exciting. The weather is 70 degrees here by the time it gets 2 and 3 o'clock. This week, we're excited. I've been sitting in the sun. I've had 2 good days, decent days in a row. I drove yesterday. I hope to drive later today. I'll need to rest after this morning. I don't know. And so made a beet salad yesterday with fresh green onions and black olives. Beets have this nitric oxide, which is good for opening blood vessels. So if you're interested in your blood pressure issues, or for my heart condition, I want to eat more things with nitric oxide. And I'm trying to do anti-inflammation because the little vessels in the heart, they're like the size of hair and maybe a little bit bigger. They are spasming and inflamed in the lining. It's been like that for 3 years since COVID. And I think the inflammation's getting better after 3 years now. But the ginger, I'm going to make a smoothie with some fresh ginger. I have been drinking ginger tea, thanks to Susan and the ginger chews. Today is going to be, I looked up something on YouTube with a fresh apple, a fresh orange, a fresh lemon, celery, cucumber, water, and some fresh ginger. And also eating sardines out of the can for omega-3. Gets the dopamine. Your brain is made of fat. So the omega-6s are your avocados, your olive oil. That's easy to get. The omega-3 is in walnuts, flaxseed I can't eat. And the fish, the sardines are, we've just had them in the cabinet. They're going to expire in 2025, so they're good. But they have the calcium, they have the CoQ10 for your heart, and they have omega-3. And they're on the bottom of the food chain, so they are low in mercury, if any. Whereas tuna is on the top, so the mercury magnifies itself by the time it gets to the tuna. We still eat some tuna occasionally. We have some of these little pouches of tuna in the cabinet. So anyway, that's kind of what's going on. We're just able to finally, together between one or the other, make a few fresh items every few days. All right, well, God bless. Love you. Take care, and we'll see y'all tomorrow night.